Hi everybody, Dr. Mandy here. Today I'm going to discuss something that is very important when it comes to your hearing aids. The number one issue why most hearing aids just randomly stop working is because patients forget to clean their hearing aids daily. So I'm going to demonstrate one of the important pieces of cleaning your hearing aids. Most hearing aids come with this thing called a wax trap, and a lot of times it just needs to be changed, and that fixes the whole problem. So this is an example of a wax trap. So what I'm going to do is show you how to clean the hearing aid and how to change a wax trap. And I know a lot of times patients just forget that these are there, but they're super simple to fix, and it does save you a trip to the office if you forget to do this. I recommend you change this, and that should take care of it. So here is the hearing aid. You just want to wipe it down with the Kleenex. And even if you see a little bit of wax, you should probably change it. So this is what you do. You have your new one. This end, the opposite end, you just pop it straight in, pull it out, flip it around, and you put the new one in, and then you throw the stick away. So next time somebody says, oh, my hearing aid just quit working, ask them if they have a wax trap and if they changed it, and chances are it just needed to be changed. Thanks, have a great day.